If I have an equation that looks like this, 3x plus 4y equals negative 12. The first thing I notice is that this equation is in standard form. That is our ax plus by equals c. Now, why is this important? Because if I see my equation in standard form, I know I'm going to start graphing this using my x and y intercepts. In previous problems, we've solved x and y intercepts by setting something to 0. Let's try solving for our x-intercept. If I want to solve for my x-intercept, that lies somewhere along my x-axis, which means my x moves, but my y is never going to go up or down. My y is going to be 0. So in order to solve for my x-intercept, I'm going to set y equal to 0. Let's see what happens. I'm going to rewrite my equation. 3x plus 4y equals negative 12. I'm going to set y equal to 0. I'm going to say 3x plus 4 times 0 equals negative 12. Let's simplify. 4 times 0 is just 0. I'm left with 3x equals negative 12. We can divide by 3 to get x all by itself. X is equal to negative 4. So as an ordered pair, my x-intercept is negative 4, 0. Negative 4, 0. And I'm going to graph that. Negative 4, 2, 3, 4 to the left. And it stays along that x-axis. We've solved for our x-intercept. Let's try solving for our y-intercept. If I'm solving for my y-intercept, that's going to lie somewhere along my y-axis. So I know that I don't go left or right, so my x is going to be 0, while my y changes. So we're going to start off by setting x equal to 0. Let's plug this into our original equation. 3x plus 4y equals negative 12. We're going to replace x with 0. That gives us 3 times 0 plus 4y equals negative 12. Simplify. 3 times 0 is just 0. It goes away. 4y equals negative 12. And we get y all by itself. So y is equal to a negative 3. Now, as an ordered pair, while our input x was 0, our output y was -3. So our y-intercept was 0, -3. Let's go ahead and graph this one. 0, -1, 2, 3. So now that I have 2 precise points along my graph, I'm going to finish this off by connecting my 2 points. And you guys can use a ruler or a straight edge here. After you draw that straight line, don't forget your arrows on the end. And just to be sure that these are the correct points, I'm going to label my x-axis, my x-intercept, -4, 0. And on my y-axis, my y-intercept of 0, -3. And this is how we graph in standard form 3x plus 4y equals -12.